This Century 21 At Your Service Realty property video is presented by Ken and Ruthie Welch. Lake Bess Country Club. This is a gated golf community with a resident-owned golf course. The association fees include golf, lawn maintenance, use of the country club and pool. This is a concrete block golf course home with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms and a ceramic tile roof. The kitchen has solid surface countertops and wood cabinets with 42-inch upper cabinets. There is a living room, family room, dining room and a dinette. The master suite includes a garden tub, walk-in shower and 2 walk-in closets. There is also an office with a half bathroom off the master bedroom with a separate entrance from the family room. The lanai has been enclosed and central air conditioning added. There is also an oversized 2-car garage with storage. Lake Bess Country Club is a small community located in southeast Winter Haven, just minutes from LegoLand, Florida and Bach Tower Gardens, with easy access to the Orlando area attractions and the Orlando International Airport. Just in case there aren't enough golf courses and lakes in the area, the east and west coast beaches are just over an hour away. You can enjoy the sunrise on the east coast and drive to the west coast and enjoy the sunset with plenty to do in between. For more information,